Hello guys! Ayun, magbubukbang tayo guys. Ayan, while swimming, magbubukbang tayo. So meron tayong pansit, kimchi. May kimchi, kumuha lang ako guys para hindi natin lahat dala-dala. Of course, meron tayong saging. Sausaw sa asan yung ano niya. Bilagyan ko na siya ng ginamos. Sarap ang ginamos. Bilagyan ko lahat. At meron tayo dito bagoong uyap sa Bisaya. Sarap. Tapos, oh my god, excuse me, the light please. I'm doing vlog, the light please. Barbecue. Sarap ng barbecue natin guys. Sarap ko. Sarap. Juice. Tapos, pagkibagas na ito. What is it? Tag nito? Marshmallow. Saan tayo? Yan, andyan na si ate ko. Lumpia ko. Andyan na si ate. At sila kuya at ang pamangkin ko. Kami lang dito. Meron ng pansit. Ang konting kanin. At meron tayo adobo.
My friends like when the water.
My friend kimchi, my favorite.
My friends like
Sarap. Lahat ng kasama ko dito ayaw ng kimchi. Maamoy daw, ayaw nila ng amoy. Kaganyan talaga ako guys.
and literally when the water was low. He did like this.
Floating
He
ano.
did like this. He did like this.
Wow. Sarap.
Usually we throw him to put water on.
Hotdog.
Then we make it go under down.
Mm.
You cannot breathe.
Sarap. Ang lugar, mayroon tayong barbecue dito. Ano? Kukuha tayo. Barbecue? Kahit walang sauce, ang sarap.
Asan yung susi?
Oh my god, it's inside. Sa may Bible. Alright. Luto na siya guys. Hotdog. Alright. Sarap. Sarap. Kumain na yung dalaw kay ang ina. Lumpia natin din, ang sarap. Saging. Sarap ng saging. Of course, kailangan may juice. Han, dagdag ka pala mong juice, Han. Please. Baka magkulang.
Ang sarap ang feeling mo.
Sarap, guys. Enjoy the food. Hindi na ako nagluto. Meron sanang ano, tayo. Meron sanang... Meron sanang ano, tayo. Fries. Fries.
Masa?
Mag-video. Mag-audio ba? Mag-ano. Ha?
Look! Look under. Sarap.
First, ano? Hindi, mag-ano tayo? Mag...
Ito lang kami nito.
Ha?
Ito lang ko.
Tingnan mo. Ah, oo. Ibalik mo yan dyan. Kimchi.
Dapat binigyan ba?
Luto na to.
Tignan mo anak. You have to check. Naging isa.
Ito.
Opo.
Ito to.
Opo.
Ang sarap ang feeling mo.
Can I have sauce, please?
Ay, nako.
Give me sauce, please. Nak, put it here, nak, oh, please. Give me, please.
Give mami.
Give me, nak, please.
Marites ka.
And can I have the red? Alright, guys. Come here, guys. Naghingi ako ng sauce. Ginamos naman ang binigay sa akin. But it's fine.
Stop.
Sa intay na saging na may ginamos, guys. Oh my God. Bakit sa akin lahat? Kunti lang. Put me a little, nak.
Basa kamay ko.
In a bowl. Can you just put a little, nak, please? Please, here. A little. A little, please. Okay. Grabe. Grabe, a little din. Oh, okay. Go. Oh, this one. Alright, may sausawan. Okay. What is it? Max splashy. Sarap. We have ginamos.
Maybe like when I eat
Mm.
over there.
Parang sarap ng ginamos sila.
Recently when I go into
Ang hang, asin, maalat
I
alat.
said,
Ate. Ate.
Mommy, that's
Peacefully.
you ruined my teeth.
Magtampisaw at kumain.
I literally just said, I'm peacefully eating.
Ayaw nila ng ano. Kimchi talaga. Ayaw mo na kimchi, te? Wow.
Nag-visit na niya kag
basa kamay ko.
Nga.
Paano sinira?
ayun oh.
Hila yung dulo ko.
Okay, guys. Last. Nabusog na ako. Maya na naman to. Juice. Perfect.
Ano sa'yo?
Oh my God. Perfect.
Peacefully.
Perfect.
Biga.
Hindi ko na alam anong sunod kakainin. Actually, busog na ako, guys. Later naman to, guys. Magsaswim muna tayo.
You're dirty. Don't put it here. Put it outside.
Doon siya, te. Everybody. We're
Don't
sleeping
ruin
na.
my teeth, okay?
You ruin everything.
Kain pa, guys, na. Limutan ko, guys. Meron din pala tayong liliit na crabs. Hindi tayo napagbukbang kanina. Let's do it. Shh, kaya kaya. Zawsawan.
Nak na. Sige, 1 hour, 1 hour. 1 hour ha.
I didn't even, I just circled.
Sige na 1 hour ha. Enough na ha. 1 hour.
So that's all, guys. Bye for now.
Aray ka.
To eat peacefully.
Kailangan to sleep.